Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to do another video request. So alright, the request was adding sound to Pygame. So alright, let's just jump into it. So if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for me if you've been here a while, so I appreciate that. And this is what we do here. When I was learning, I was hating that all the different places that I had to look. And this is a perfect one, because I remember when I was struggling with sound and the versions of what I had, there had been, people were just pulling up WAV files and dropping them in, and it was going great. And this is one of the things that I struggled with. So this channel is to have everything together so you don't have to look for it. So alright, last time we ended up having the bouncing ball come around the screen, and when we clicked start, it just started bouncing. Whoopity-doo. But that's kind of boring, so we want it to maybe now have some sound. So alright, I showed you pygame.mixer. I'll go ahead and put that up. I think it's about right here. And that is what the module is that handles sound. Now, other videos out there, you will see to use WAV files. Well, I don't know what happened with more recent versions of Pygame. I haven't looked into it. But .ogg files are the preferred method. So, alright. Now, I already have a file. I use Adobe, so I saved it with the file extension OGG. Now, there's online websites that can convert your WAV files to .ogg. So that's some admin right there. So let's just jump right into it. So it is literally as simple as this. One other thing, super important, make sure the audio file is in the current directory. So alright, ball equals my ball.ogg file. Then I have to then create my object, bounce .pygame .mixer and sound. So basically, we've already looked at mixer, and then inside, let's go ahead and look at, let's pull this up, help.pygame.mixer. So we've done that, and we are now going to look at, I forgot, Pygame.mixer. Here we go. Sound capitalized. So help Pygame.mixer.sound. Close it out, and here we go. So then it's just like so. And you give it, now we're not going to touch any of these right now. We're not going to mess, but you can do, and there's the object we're going to utilize today. So alright, we created our object, and let's test it and make sure we don't have anything fail, because it will fail if it does not like this file. Alright, and I remember when I was learning, I was using waves, and it just kept saying can't open, can't open, can't open, and I wanted to kill myself after I was going. So alright, now we need it to happen. So we're going to look at this, and we're just going to use our bounce object that we just created, and it's literally as simple as this. So inside our window loop, if you remember, and I'll put this right here is the last full version of changing the bouncing ball, changing directions. But it's literally this simple to have it play. So when we change directions, either hitting on the side the X coordinate or at the top the Y coordinate. So now let's make sure I don't have a, okay, good. Okay, so there we go. Alright, let's close this. Let's give you a little bit of sound. I think this will record it. Don't like to have alerts going. I usually turn off everything, so let's see how well this picks up. Got it sized right there. You ready? Alright, now I want to point out something to you. There's a touch of a bug here, of a delay. So now, let's move this in front. In front of the changing directions. Let's see if I closed it. Yep. Save, run. Now watch. Okay, and there. Boom. It's that simple. So, awesome video requests. You guys keep me on my toes, and then it leads me down the path of reviewing the notes. Let's close that out in case you can't hear me. The notes that I have that when I was going through, and because I kept everything. Actually, while we're talking about it, don't ever delete anything. Put it out on the cloud, whatever storage, preferred storage technique, because you might have. I remember the first computer I had that crashed. It killed me. I had some of the neatest stuff and greatest notes that I had doing what I had learned. And I struggled, and there's a couple things that I never been able to recreate because I don't remember the order in which I did it. So save everything, just like here, right here. If you stopped using it, just comment it out. Don't ever delete it. Don't ever delete it. Don't ever delete anything. So, all right, that's my little soapbox. But guys, I can't tell you guys thank you enough. Awesome comments, wonderful support, great questions, really great questions. I'll never lie to you and tell you that I'm a super creative person, but I'm a problem solver. So I can put together what I've learned, and it leads me down to another path. And that's what I did. So when you guys ask me these things, go, how do we do this? I go, oh, okay. I haven't thought about that in a while. So I just really have loved this experience over the past 2 years. So thank you guys for everything. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that. Give the video a thumbs up for me, and most important, that notification bell, because we have videos coming out all the time. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.